Okay, so hello, so today we'll be solving LeetCode equation, that is 1137 nth Tribonacci number, and in this will be given a Tribonacci sequence Tn, which is defined as like T0 is equal to 0, T1 is equal to 1, and T2 is equal to 1, and Tn plus 3 represents Tn plus Tn plus 1 plus Tn plus 2 for n greater than or equal to 0, and we have to return the value of n. We'll be given an n, we have to return the value of Tn. Okay, so it's just more or less like the Fibonacci number only. For example, if we are given n equal to 4, so firstly T3 will be equal to 0, T0 plus T1 plus T2, that will be equal to 2, and then T4 will be equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3, so that will be equal to 4. Okay, so first let's set up some base cases that if n is equal to 0, we have to return 0 in this case, return 0, and then if n is equal to 1 or n is equal to 2, in both the cases our answer will be 1 only. Okay, and now let's have a memo array and memo of size 3. In this only we'll be storing all the numbers. You can also use a memo array of size n plus 1 for this, but I'll be just using it of size 3. Therefore int I equal to 0, oh sorry, I equal to 3, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. So let's calculate the first number, that will be always be equal to the sum of memo 0 plus memo 1 plus memo 2. Okay, and let's just declare its value, so that memo 0 will be equal to 1, 0, and memo 1 will be equal to memo 2, that will be equal to 1. Okay, and we'll be storing our next in like memo I mod 3 will be equal to my next element, next value. Okay, and at the end I'll just return memo n mod 3. Okay, so now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so just wait for today. Thank you for watching.